Samsung will hold its next Galaxy Unpacked event on 26 July, and it is highly expected that we will see the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 during the event, succeeding the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4, respectively. While nothing has been confirmed about the Galaxy Z Fold 5 by Samsung itself, there have been a number of rumors surrounding the device over the last few months, giving us a good idea as to what we can expect. We are running up the rumored specs of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 against the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Price and availability. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 hasn't been announced yet, but you can already register your interest, and if you do that, you'll get $50 off when you pre-order. Currently, though, it is unknown what price that $50 will be coming off of. But if you believe that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the folding phone for you no matter what, then it's a good offer to make sure you grab. Rumors suggest it will be coming in beige, black, and light blue color options. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, meanwhile, launched at $1,799 in the US and £1,649 in the UK, though currently there is some money off, so you might be able to pick it up a little cheaper than that if you look around. It comes in 4 color options of gray-green, phantom black, beige, and burgundy, so slightly different to the Galaxy Z Fold 5 if the rumors are accurate. Design and build. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is claimed to be larger than its predecessor, whilst also featuring a redesigned hinge that will allow it to fold completely flat. This is thought to mark the biggest distinction between the Z Fold 5 and the Z Fold 4. Based on the leaked images of the Z Fold 5, the edges appear to be slightly flatter than the Z Fold 4 too. And while initial rumors suggested we would see a built-in S Pen this time around, that is looking increasingly unlikely. It's expected the main design will remain similar of the vertical book-style fold, a large display on the front with a centralized punch-hole camera at the top, and a large internal display with an under-display camera. Some rumors have said the IP rating will move to IP67, which would mean it is rated against dust too, but like everything else at the moment, this is just a rumor. When it comes to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, you get a similar design to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. It was more about refinement than a redesign, with a wider and shorter stance than the Z Fold 3, and it's a great-looking device overall, which the Z Fold 5 is also expected to be, if not more so. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 doesn't fold flat like the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to, with a gap next to the hinge, though this model did introduce the Armor aluminum frame that made it a little more resistant to drops, and we'd expect that to carry through to the next generation. There's an IPX8 water and dust resistance on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The gap near the hinge means it doesn't get a dust rating. As is expected of the Z Fold 5, it has a book-style design with a large flexible display on the inside and a smaller but very functional display on the outside. On the side, there is a physical fingerprint sensor rather than an under-display option. Display. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is rumored to have a display similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. While there might be some improvements in durability and brightness, not many changes are expected in this department. The Z Fold 4 features a 6.2-inch external dynamic AMOLED display with a 2316 x 904 pixel resolution and a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED inner display with a 2176 x 1812 pixel resolution. Both displays have a 120 Hz refresh rate and offer excellent performance. The inner display has an ultra-thin glass layer that enables folding, and while the crease is slightly visible, it doesn't affect everyday use. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is also expected to have an under-display camera at the top, similar to its predecessor. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 4's displays are bright and color-rich, setting high expectations for the Galaxy Z Fold 5's display quality as well. Hardware and software. Rumors suggest that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy platform, similar to the Galaxy S23 series, offering increased CPU and GPU performance. The Z Fold 4, which runs on Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, already performs excellently with 12GB RAM and storage options of 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to match or exceed these specifications, providing a flagship-level experience with improved specs. While the Z Fold 4 has a 4,400 mAh battery with decent endurance, the Z Fold 5's battery capacity is yet to be confirmed. Faster charging speeds are also anticipated. Both devices are likely to feature software features optimized for their larger screens and multitasking capabilities, with the Z Fold 5 potentially offering some additional tricks. Though initial rumors mentioned a built-in S Pen, it's uncertain, but S Pen support like the Z Fold 4 is expected. Overall, the user interface and experience between the Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 5 might not differ significantly. Cameras. Rumors suggest that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 might have a camera setup similar to the Galaxy S23, potentially featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor with f1.7 aperture, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with f2.2 aperture, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor with f2.4 aperture. Some reports speculate that the main camera could even be a 108-megapixel sensor like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The under-display camera is expected to see improvements, but specifics are not yet known. The front camera could be upgraded to a 12-megapixel sensor, matching the Galaxy S23. Conclusion. Based on the rumors, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be bringing a refined design compared to its predecessor. The ability to fold completely flat will be refreshing. It's something that competitors now offer, so it's really needed here to remain competitive. It also looks like we will see internal upgrades, as you would expect, and maybe some slight adjustments in the camera department. We also expect to see some new software features added. On the whole, aside from the design improvements rumored and the expected processor upgrades, there might not be huge differences. Nothing is confirmed or official for now, though, so which one you're going to buy? Z Fold 4 or Z Fold 5? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.